Hi, in this video you can learn about list. You know about data types, right? So data type is used to specify what a particular value that variable holds. So in Python, we can group data types into two. One is immutable and another one is mutable. When we say it is mutable, it means once the contents is created, it can be changed. So list, dictionary, set, this three comes under mutable data types. So let's learn about list. So what is list? List is a sequence, or we can say collection of datas that are ordered and can be changed. In Python, lists are ordered, indexed, mutable, heterogeneous. So when we say index, the index value starts at 0. So heterogeneous items in the list need not be of the same type. So the list is specified using square bracket, in slicing syntax, or using array index form. So we can have the value inside the square brackets with separated by comma. Okay, so we'll see how to assess the list items. So we can assess the list items using index. The index can be, we can specify index as positive value or negative. If you specify negative, no, what happens is the count starts from the end of the list. So here list is there and two values given, starting value and end value, mn. It means that sublist start at index m and end at index n. Okay, so whereas m will be included and n won't be included. So if you specify two values, no, so the first, this value will be included, m value will be included, n won't be included. If m is not provided, then its value is assumed to be 0. If the starting value is not specified, it is assumed to be 0. If the ending value is not provided, then the range is selected till last of the list. You got it? So we will see how to declare a list. So list can be declared as id. How it is assigned within the square brackets. So I am assigning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So in this way we can declare and assign values to the list using comma operator. Next, how to assess the list. So the values we can specify either any one specific index value, or we can specify a range of value. So now I want to assess. So the index value starts from 0, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I want to assess the fifth value. So how to assess that? ID of index value 5. Right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at the fifth position I am having value 5. So I got it, right? Now suppose if I specify print ID of 2 to 6. So this is starting value, this is end value. So 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. So from here 3, 4, 5, 6. So from 2 to 6 it will be considered, but the sixth value won't get included. See, 2 to 6 it considered, starts from 2, ends with 6, but it won't, the sixth value will not be included. Okay, if the starting value is not specified, print. We can assess without specifying the starting value. If not specified, it will be considered as 0. So I just specified on the end value. So what happens? From 0 it starts till 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So till 4 it will consider, but it will not include the fourth position value. So we got 0, 1, 2, 3, right? Next, if I specify ID, the first value and not the end value, then it will 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. from 5th position it returned till the end of the list. See, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right, you got the difference. So this what is about. So we can assess the list using the index value, index position. We can either specify any one position, or we can specify range of position. If we specify range, we have to specify the starting value as well as the ending value. In that case, the ending value position will not be get displayed. We can specify either end value alone or starting value alone. If we won't specify the starting value, it will be considered as 0. If you won't specify the end value, it will start from the specified value till the end of the list. That value get displayed. Now I am going to specify the negative value, id minus 5 till minus 2. Okay, so when we specify negative, index value as negative, it starts the count from end. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So from here to 2, 4, 3, 2. From, so this 4 values will be considered, but it won't display the second value, right? See, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It won't include the second value. So in this way we can access the list data. Okay. Next is about how we can modify the list. To change a specific item in the list, refer to it using its index and assign a new value. So if I want to change specific position, suppose if I want to change the 3rd position, I have to specify the position and assign the particular value. Okay, so this is about how to assess. Now we are going to see how to modify. So how we can modify? You have to, so what is the name of the list? ID, right? So ID, which position I want to change? Suppose I want to change the 3rd position. Okay, so I have to specify 3, then we have to use equal to operator, then I have to specify the value. I am going to specify 3, 3. Okay, now I will print ID of 3rd position. See, so we have modified, so it displays 33. So in this way we can modify the data item in the list. So I want to iterate the list. I want to list out all the values that has been in the data item. So we can use for loop. So for x in, name of my list is id, list in print x. See, all the values will get displayed. 1, 2, 3, 33, 4. Why 33? Because in between we have modified, no? That's why. Okay. So in this way we can iterate the list. Next, how to see whether a specific item is present in the list or not. So use the in keyword to determine if a specified item is present in a list or not. So I am having a list named list. I am having data item ABC. I want to check whether A is present. How it has been checked? If A in list, print A is present. If D in list, print. If not, not present. So in this way we can check whether the item is there or not in the list. Right. So we will create a new list. List equal to Anju. And I am having a name. Okay. Next, I want to check if Anju is there in the list. If so, I want to print we can print present. Okay. Print okay, it displays that it is present. So if we can check by using if statement. We have to use in keyword. Okay, now how to find the length of the list. How to find the length of the list. So the length of the list, to check the length of this list, we can use L equal to len of, what is my list name, list list. Next we can print L. So what is the length? 2. So hope now you are clear how to assess, how to modify, how to iterate, how to check the item is present in the list or not. Thank you. Keep learning.